Here's how to delete your Messenger account in 2025. Now open up the Messenger app on your iPhone or Android, or go to a computer and go to messenger.com. Now from here, we need to get to your settings. So tap on Menu at the bottom right and Settings at the top. Within the settings of Messenger, we can go to the Account Center, which houses information associated with all of your Meta products, so Instagram, Facebook, as well as Messenger. To get there, let's scroll down to the bottom and tap on See More in Account Center. Now from here, let's tap on Personal Details and Account Ownership and Control. Finally, we're at Deactivation or Deletion. All we need to do is tap on that and then tap on Facebook. Now keep in mind, when you go through this process, you're deleting your entire Facebook account. Facebook and Messenger are ultimately linked together, and if you deactivate or delete one, it deactivates or deletes the other. So let's tap on Delete Account here and hit Continue. And then it doesn't matter what you choose here, just hit Continue and Continue. Now keep in mind, after you go through this process, it'll walk you through maybe downloading everything and hitting Continue. Now you will need to enter in your password one last time for your account. After you enter that password in, just hit the Delete button. Keep in mind, you do have 30 days to recover that Facebook/Messenger account before it's permanently deleted.